Most small business owners know AI can save time, but automation still feels confusing. There are too many tools, too many tutorials, and too many people making it look more complicated than it needs to be. So today, in AI System Lab, I'm going to build 3 simple AI automations for a small business. Not advanced systems, not a huge software setup, just 3 practical workflows that help a business respond faster, follow up better, and stay organized. For this experiment, let's imagine a small local service business. It could be a cleaning company, a fitness coach, a repair service, a freelancer, or a small agency. The business gets leads, answers questions, sends quotes, follows up with potential clients, and manages daily tasks. Most of that work is repetitive, and repetitive work is exactly where AI automation can help. The first automation I would build is a lead response system. This matters because a speed matters. When someone fills out a form, sends a message, or asks for a quote, they usually want an answer now. If the business waits too long, that person may contact another company. So the automation starts when a new lead comes in. It could come from a website form, Instagram, WhatsApp, or email. The system takes the lead information and uses AI to create a professional first response. That message should thank the person, ask for missing information, and guide them to the next step. For example, "Thanks for reaching out. I'd be happy to help. Can you tell me what service you need, your timeline, and your preferred date?" That is simple, but useful. The customer gets a fast response. The business gets better information. And the owner does not have to write the same message again and again. At the beginning, I would not make this fully automatic. I would let AI draft the reply, and the owner can approve it before sending. That keeps the system safe while still saving time. The second automation I would build is a follow-up system. This is where many small businesses lose money. They speak with a potential customer. They send a quote. The customer says, "I'll think about it," and then nothing happens. The owner gets busy, forgets to follow up, and the lead disappears. So I would create a simple workflow. When a quote is sent, the system waits 2 or 3 days. If the customer has not replied, AI drafts a friendly follow-up, not a pushy message, a helpful one, something like, "Hi, just checking in to see if you had any questions about the quote. I'm happy to clarify anything if needed." That kind of message can bring back conversations that would normally be lost. The system tracks the lead, AI writes the draft, the owner reviews it, and the follow-up goes out at the right time. This is not about annoying people. It is about being consistent. Many customers are interested, but they are busy. A good follow-up makes it easier for them to take the next step. The third automation I would build is a daily business summary. This one is simple, but very useful. Small business owners often have information spread across different places: emails, messages, forms, calendar events, tasks, payments, notes. At the end of the day, it is hard to know what actually happened. So I would create a system that sends one short summary every day. The summary could include new leads, pending follow-ups, appointments for tomorrow, unanswered messages, completed tasks, and urgent items. For example, today you received 3 new leads. 2 need a quote. 1 appointment is scheduled for tomorrow. There are 2 follow-ups pending, and 1 customer message needs attention. That gives the owner clarity. Instead of checking 5 different apps, they get 1 clean update. AI can also add a short recommendation like priority for tomorrow, follow up with the 2 leads who requested pricing. This turns information into action, and that is what good automation should do. It should help the business make better decisions. So now we have three simple automations: a lead response system, a follow-up system, and a daily business summary. These workflows are not complicated, but they can make a real difference. The first one helps capture opportunities faster. The second one helps recover leads that might disappear. And the third one helps the owner stay organized. If I were building this for a real business, I would not automate everything at once. I would start with the biggest bottleneck. If leads are slow, start with lead response. If quotes do not close, start with follow-up. If the owner feels overwhelmed, start with the daily summary. That is the real strategy. Do not automate everything. Automate the problem that is costing the most time or money. AI automation is not about replacing people. It is about removing repetitive work so people can focus on better conversations, better service, and better decisions. The human still sets the strategy. The human still checks the message. The human still builds the relationship. AI just helps the system move faster. So if you are a small business owner, freelancer, or creator, this is where I would start. Not with a complicated AI agent, not with a huge dashboard. Start with three simple systems. Respond faster, follow up better, and understand your business every day. That is how small businesses can begin using AI in a practical way. And that is what we build here on AI System Lab. We do not just test AI tools, we build systems. If you want to see more practical AI systems for small businesses, freelancers, and creators, subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'll keep testing real AI workflows and showing what actually works.